I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious beans in tomato sauce. This classic dish is incredibly versatile and perfect for any meal, whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner. We'll cover everything from selecting the right beans to simmering them in a rich, savory tomato base. You'll learn simple techniques to achieve a wonderfully comforting and flavorful result that your whole family will love. Let's get cooking. To begin, you'll need about 1 pound of dried cannellini or navy beans, ideally soaked overnight to reduce cooking time. Next, finely dice 1 large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 medium carrot. These aromatics form the flavor foundation. Ensure you have 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and 4 cups of vegetable broth ready. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of good olive oil, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now for the cooking. In a large pot or Dutch oven, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Sauté your diced onion, garlic, and carrot for about 8 minutes until they are soft and fragrant. Next, pour in the 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, 4 cups of vegetable broth, and 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. Stir in your soaked and drained beans, bringing the mixture to a gentle simmer. Cover and cook for 1 to 2 hours, or until the beans are wonderfully tender, stirring occasionally. Once your beans are perfectly tender, taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper. These delicious beans in tomato sauce are incredibly versatile. Enjoy them hot as a hearty side, spooned over crusty toast for a simple meal, or alongside grilled chicken or sausages. A sprinkle of fresh parsley or a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil adds a lovely finishing touch. Leftovers keep well in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 4 days, making them great for meal prep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.